Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
First, prepare your replacement images before you change any icons. Choose a square PNG or JPEG image about 180 by 180 pixels for best results. Save the images to the Photos app in a dedicated album so you can find them quickly. Make sure iOS Shortcuts has permission to access photos and to open apps. Grant permissions when prompted. Decide whether you want custom widgets or simple icons. Gather any transparent backgrounds now to preserve shape and contrast on your home screen. Open the Shortcuts app and tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Tap Add Action and search for the action named Open App and select it. Tap the word App inside the action and choose the target application from the list of installed apps. Then, tap the three dots in the top right to open Shortcut Details and tap Add to Home Screen to assign a new icon image. Pick your prepared image from Photos and give the shortcut a home screen name. Once the shortcut icon appears on your home screen, long press and drag it to the desired spot. If you want to avoid duplicates, move the original app to the app library or hide it in a folder. Test the new icon by tapping it and confirming the chosen app opens correctly through the shortcut. Repeat the process for each app you want to customize and keep image sizes consistent for a uniform aesthetic. Back up your images so you can restore icons.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.